If you got a new Gremlin tank monitor, get ready for a new level of confidence in your comfort. Let's get you started. After the Gremlin is installed, you can download the Gremlin tank monitoring app either from the Apple Store or Google Play. Tap the Register button. Now enter your desired username, email address, and password, and then confirm the password. Next, enter your customer account number with your fuel company, your phone number to receive low-level notifications, and your Gremlin serial number. The serial number is the number located under the barcode on the sticker attached to the monitor. If there are multiple zeros at the start of the serial number, please enter only the numbers that follow the zeros. Tap Register to proceed. After logging in, you'll immediately see your current fuel level and tank number. Tap the button on the bottom of the screen to pull up your fuel company's website, call them, or email them. You're connected to your fuel company and the level of fuel in your tank anytime you want it from anywhere. If you have multiple tanks associated with your account, you can swipe left to display the different levels for each one. If you want to dig deeper, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. You can see how much fuel you've been going through daily for the last 30 days. Change your password, receive low-level push notifications, or delete your account if you no longer are using the app. If you're ever worried that you're getting too low, you probably want to check out what you were actually using each day before calling your fuel company. Your fuel company will be happy to help you with any questions you have. Remember, they are providing this to increase your confidence and improve their delivery effectiveness. While other fuel companies talk about improving performance, your fuel supplier is using modern technology to make it a reality. You can rest easier knowing a Gremlin is guarding your tank.